Introduce my project 4 part 2. Yeah, so it's based on part 1. So yeah, so let me show you. We have 3 files. Server.fs is for server, client1.fs is for the client, and client.fs is for performance test. Yeah, so our protocol will look like this. Protocol is a string separated by very many comma. Yeah, so these are the definitions of every each of them. You just fill in some content with the blank if it's necessary. Yeah, so this is for registration, this is for send the tweet, this is for subscribe, etc. So what about bonus part? Yeah, let me show you the bonus part, encryption. So we use a very nice encryption here. So before encryption, it's a string, like I said before, yeah. But after encryption, it's a very unreadable string, very long, and yeah. So before decryption, the server will receive this string exactly the same as this one, and after decryption, we will get exactly the same content before encryption. Okay, so let me show you how does it work. Yeah, so let's start a server, start client 1, start client 2. This is JetBrains Rider, very cool IDE. So you see we will send a WebSocket request to this link. Yeah, so you see it's listening to here, the server is listening to here. We use a survey. Yeah, so it will do some decrypt. Yeah, so let me show you the code of encrypt. Yeah, encrypt is here, so it's here. Yeah, decrypt code should be here. Yeah, so that's very awesome. So let me show you how does it work. So let's register user 1. Cool. You see, register success. Let's see what happened in the server. Yeah, server it receives a very long unreadable string and then decrypt it. Yeah, you see, decrypt success. Very nice readable string. Yeah. So it receives this one and it tries to register. Register result is success. What if we register the same username and user password again? It should fail because it already exists. Let's do it. You see, we do it again and it shows error. Username already exists. Cool. Let's do it. Let's register user 2. So let's send the Twitter for user 1. It's called Twitter 1. Cool. Reply success, right? So we send the Twitter for user 2, right? We send the Twitter 3 for user 2, yeah. So now you see user 1 has 1 tweet and user 2 has 2 tweets. Yeah, let's subscribe. User 1 will subscribe user 2. Okay, so the topological relationship is user 1 subscribe user 2 and user 2 subscribe no one. So when we query tweets for user 1, we should see all 3 tweets, right? So you see, we see all 3 tweets. Cool. But when we query user 2's tweets, it should only see the tweets of itself because it subscribed nobody. Yeah, so let's do it. You see, we only see tweet 2 and tweet 3. It's very correct. So let's try the topic functionality. Topic sharp trump. Yeah, we should only see tweet 2 and tweet 3, right? They contain sharp trump. You see, tweet 2 and tweet 3. Cool, very cool. What about top? What about at some user at Biden? We should see Twitter 1, it has at Biden, and we should see Twitter 3, it had at Biden. Yeah. You see, we got Twitter 1, Twitter 3. Yeah. What do it again? Here, the same. Very correct. Let me show you another functionality. So retweet, let user 2 retweet Twitter 3, right? Cool, it retweets success. So let's query it again. So you see, this is our retweet. It's labeled by retweet. So let's try the connect. When user connect, it's a live connection. So you will display the new tweets from others dynamically. Yeah. So connect. Now user one is connected. Yeah. So this is the auto query. So now you can have Twitter 1, Twitter 2, Twitter 3, and retweet of Twitter 3. Yeah. So uh, let's do a query for you. Let's send the user 2. Yeah, because user 1 subscribe user 2. Now user 2 send the new tweet 4. You see, you send the tweet 4, and then tweet 4 automatically shows here. What about user 2? Send the tweet 5. Now it sends the tweet 5, and now tweet 5 shows automatically here. Let's do it again for tweet 6. Cool, the same, very nice. So now let's disconnect user 1. Now we disconnect, it shouldn't show anything automatically within the Twitter 7. Okay, so nothing shows, yeah, but it can query it by hand, right? You see, Twitter 7, cool. So that's the how to run our code. That's the client user. If you want to do a performance test, just run it with this file, yeah, client.fs. So for the how to use part, it's just what I explained just before, yeah. So you can watch the video instead of reading the text. So we do many performance tests in the client.fs. So this is our result. Yeah. So our result shows that the subscribe will be time consuming. Then send tweet. No. Send tweet will be time consuming because it contains it's related to string transforming. Yeah, network time is very time consuming. The next one is zip subscribe. Yeah, because it's two times n operations. Yeah, then other operations are one times n operation. Yeah, so they require small tons of time. So this is our zip description, this distribution. Yeah, so the largest network is 800 users. Okay, so this is our environment. Thank you. We finished all the requirement of the project 4. Yeah, thank you for your watching. Bye.